Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video, we're going to take a look at this Samsung jetbolt robot vacuum, and it has Wi-Fi. It works with SmartThings, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. And here it is. Let's take a look. First, it comes with some instructions, the user manual. You can download the application. It's probably a lot easier to use that than going through all of this. But if you like to read and have a visual, here it is. And it comes with French and Spanish instructions. Here's the warranty. And here's a little guide. It does have a really nice navigation. You could also make it go into certain places and stop it from going anywhere else. Here is the vacuum. And it looks pretty cool. You have the stop and go here. And you have the sensor here. And also on this side, you can open it up. And here's the reservoir where you have the dirt and stuff in here. So all you have to do is open it from this side. And you have a filter. And that can go back in here. And then on this other side, you have the brush, that it's very smooth. And you got the bristles here that are going to turn, getting the dirt here, and this will get it inside the reservoir that we just took off. And these two right here is how the battery gets charged. You could take this off too if you want to clean this. And you can take these too. So everything that you need to take off to clean, it's easy to do so. It has a very nice finish. I like this. And it's not too heavy. Then you have the station, or where it's going to end up in here, and this is how it gets charged. And also here you have a way to plug it in here. So this will, the vacuum will end up in here like that. And it'll start charging, and once it wants to go clean, it'll leave the station and start cleaning. Oh, this is, I think, just a protection. Here's another brush. You have the power cable And these strips are very useful because if you don't want the vacuum cleaner going to a certain area, just put it there until it learns not to go there, and then you could take that off. Here's another filter. It's easy to set up. Once you download the application, it's very easy. And once you set it up, you don't have to do much other than cleaning the reservoir. Besides that, it's pretty easy. And Samsung has done a really good job on how to make this navigate throughout the house. This video is just so you can take a look at what it looks like, but unless you make it start working on your home, you really won't know how well it works. I do have hardwood floor and I have carpet, and it works well on both. This is the second one I have because I have 2 floors. So this is going to another floor. I hope this video helps you in some way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.